So here's my LaCie hard drive. It's not working, and I'm gonna try this taking the cover off and using the StarTech USB to SATA cable. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it's just the connection that sucks and why it won't read anymore on my computer. So I'm gonna be real gentle, give this a shot. If not, I'm gonna send it in for repair. Got a little screwdriver set here. So this is just a casing with no screws on it. This is what the hard drive snaps into, which is this terrible connection. Hopefully this is what's wrong with my hard drive. I'm gonna plug it in. The plugs seemingly do line up, the SATA into the hard drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and plug it into my computer via the USB. Interesting to note, I just noticed that removing this case broke the warranty seal. Apparently the sticker went over it like that, and when I slid this off, that came off. So no biggie. Seagate bought LaCie, and we're just going to give me a new drive, but I'm trying to get my data back. So this is what it sounds like. This is that Starlink USB going into the Mac Mini, not showing up on my drives. So that's unfortunate. Looks like I'm gonna have to send it back to possibly Rossman Group in New York City. But this is what it looks like out of its shell. Not happy about this. So I put it back in its case. It's still powering on and making that noise, which is good, I guess, that it's back. I didn't ruin anything, hopefully, by trying this cable, the SATA cable. Yeah, this lovely thing's going back for repair. Just a quick update, I also tried connecting this to a Windows machine. It is not appearing. This is the USB to this cable here. You see it's lit up to that style cable. So it's definitely going back to, or going to get repaired, hopefully, at a data recovery place. And I'll have a follow-up video about how I'm going to set up my data storage in the future to avoid these crappy issues. Cool.